This is the Makita 6.5 inch circular saw, and Makita is a really good brand. I mean, you read the reviews, they all speak the same thing. It's really awesome. This particular saw, the 6.5 inch, is really lightweight. It's compact. It's easy to use. I found it really intuitive. Not having a whole lot of experience with saws, I don't do a whole lot of projects, you know, other than just kind of projects around the house. I'm not like a contractor or something like that, but my dad is, and he knows this brand is really good, and so he recommended this brand, and it's fantastic, and it's perfect for all the home projects, getting the little things done around the house when you need something done. This is doing the job, and it's really lightweight. Oh, also they have this really awesome battery system where the batteries just click in like that, and it's awesome. It's super lightweight, and then of course the batteries work in the other tools that Makita makes as well. And so yeah, just great brand, perfect for those projects around your house. This is awesome. I'm really enjoying this, and it's exactly what I need for those little projects around the house.